For sale, 1967 Buick Riviera. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Riviera. It's finished in its factory correct colors of blue with the black vinyl top and blue interior, which is bucket seats and console. Original 430, automatic, power steering, power brakes, and factory AC. And as always, you know, point out what I see and then drive it. Thank you. We'll start in the front. Got its original front bumper on it, so of course you're going to find some haziness on it in some spots. And same thing goes for a little bit of the trim and whatnot, because again, that's all original to the car. It's an old paint. However, as you see here, it's shiny, but there's a couple, you know, looks like a little blue stains on it in some spots. A couple chips there, but the hood lines up nice. A couple more, 1, 2 chips on that hood there. So I might just open the engine compartment up. There's the original 430. It's got a different air cleaner on it, but other than that, the rest of it looks factory correct, or slightly along those lines. You see the AC is in place, but it's not hooked up, and I was told that it does not work when I bought it. There's power steering and the power brakes right there, and the trim tag is in place there on the firewall. It does have hideaway headlights as well, of course. I think a lot of them did, or they all do. Some bubbles here, a little bit of thinning of the paint right there that you see. However, it's a very solid body still, and you'll see it as I go around. The underside, well, you got the factory wheels on there with the white wall tires. The underside is all rust-free, and the floors are all covered in that original undercoating from the factory. So the car's totally been preserved underneath. I see a little bit of raising in the paint here along this line to the middle. Windshield is no cracks on that, and the dash pad has no cracks as well. The vinyl top's actually in really nice condition. Again, you'll see that more as I go around it. Super, super nice. As well as the back window with the back deck, which hasn't been cut up either. Couple chips on here. A couple more to lower ones. We'll go in the car. Looks like a second handle to get out from the back seat. That's kind of cool. And you grab this to close it. There's the VIN tag. This one controls this power window. You have to use that one to control that power window. And unfortunately, my mechanic is no longer with us, and I would take care of little things, but both back windows are not going down. Well, I sat in the car too early. Really nice condition bucket seat here. Both buckets as well with seat belts, which are tucked down here, as you see there. Blue the matches. And the back seat. Same deal. Excellent condition headliner. So let's hop in now. It's got a tilt. Well, tilt, and I got a lower right hand. Column steering wheel. Come on. There we go. There you go. But the dash is very nice. Love the speedometer, which does work. And the console is in nice condition as well. A little added oil gauge down there. A little bit of mark there. Faint little thinning on that line of the paint. And a couple more of those little stains on there. It was actually in a couple more marks there. A Riviera collection. It was the wife's car. Some bubbles on that line, but the trunk fitment there is nice. A few more bubbles. Trunk fitment nice as well. And back bumper about the same as the front in terms of condition, but there's a little crack in it right there. The owner's manual for the radio, spare set of keys, bunch of receipts for the car that they kept, and then the service chassis manual. So let's throw that over in that corner for right now because I want to show you something. The blue under here. Oh, you got the original jack and tire iron. Come on, carpet mat. Let's pull you out if I can. You see that? I mean, it's dirty, but that blue paint under there is in excellent condition. All original. You got a spare down there. Slide this side over a little bit and show you that right there. You see that? Really nice. But you got the cardboard kit in there from the factory as well. So okay, we'll keep moving. A little bit of bubbling in that corridor there. Chip right there. A couple more bubbles right there. Vinyl top. Nice. What is this thing? Buick Driving Enthusiast. And that one said Chicagoland Chapter Buick Club of America. Keep going here. A couple chips on that line. 2 bubbles right there. This actually is in very nice condition. I know the other side is too, as well as this. And the window molding. And this one as well. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 67 Riviera. Blue on blue bucket seats and console with the beautiful black vinyl top. 430 4-barrel automatic. Chip right there. Power steering, power brakes, and it is a factory AC car. The power antenna, which I know works. And we will fire it up here in just a few seconds and then drive it. And I know there's a little, you see the mark right there, a little circular dent. That molding right there is super nice. Let me look at the other side. Okay. Thank you.